Splash by Jonas. I have a pond in my backyard. I have 1 turtle, 2 catfish, 3 frogs, and 4 goldfish. I feed them every day. How many are in my pond? My cat comes home. He wakes my dog up. The turtle jumps into the pond. How many are in my pond? My cat watches the fish. My dog chases the cat. 1 frog jumps in. How many are in my pond? My cat falls in. Splash. My dog falls in. How many are in my pond? 2 frogs jump in. Splash, splash. How many are in my pond? My dog and cat climb out. A dragonfly falls in. Splish. 1 frog hops out. How many are in my pond? 2 frogs hop out. My dog slips back in. Splash. How many are in my pond? I help my dog out. The dragonfly flies off. 1 frog jumps in. Splash. How many are in my pond? The bird flies away. Another frog jumps in. Splash. I fall in. Splash. How many are in my pond? The 3rd frog jumps in. Splash. The turtle stays in. I climb out. How many are in my pond? My dog is sad. My cat is mad. I feed my fish.
Thanks for joining us, guys. And remember that AM and PM story time is for any time of the day, whether you're just waking up, noontime snacking, or bedtime is happening. Stop by and enjoy a book with us.